key features we have within our spreaders is our GPS technology. We call it Econov. It's a way of saving fertilizer, but also ensuring fertilizer is placed on the right point of the growing field. One of the key ingredients, the key features of being good with fertilizer is being kind to fertilizer. What I mean by being kind to fertilizer, inside our hopper we have an agitator tine, so it's a very gentle tine. The idea is it doesn't grind the fertilizer. We want the product to go in the tank and come out the back of the machine intact. If we grind the product, we create dust, and we're also not efficient. We're not getting the product onto the ground. Ease of use. When it comes to using fertilizers, you have to know exactly what goes in the tank to what comes out the back of the machine. So we offer dynamic weighing calibration to always ensure the product is being used right and the application right is across the field from first thing in the morning right through to late in the evening. Fertilizers, spreaders work in a very harsh environment. We spread a very corrosive product. So here at Burrell Solutions, we offer a 7-year anti-corrosion warranty on all of our fertilizer spreaders. So we do this by using a solvents-based paint, which has a very good properties for being hard wearing, resistant to the acidic properties of fertilizer. Burrell Solutions, we have a long history of producing fertilizer spreaders. That long history means we have a very good understanding of how the machines work, how the fertilizer flies through the air. We have some 300,000 machines produced. A lot of those machines are still out working to this day. We aim at making our products simple by design. If the machine is easy to use, the operator will get not only efficiency from the machine, but he will have good confidence in using the machine.